Sweet and juicy grapes are always a favorite fruit, but just wait till you see what they do for a chicken sandwich. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, we're using sweet and juicy grapes to give a gourmet touch to chicken salad. So let's get started on the Triple-Grape chicken salad sandwich. It starts with a container of plain Greek yogurt. I love to use this as a substitute for sour cream or mayo in recipes. It saves on fat and boosts the protein. Mix in some parsley, lemon juice, a little Dijon mustard, and some salt to season it. Next, add about 1.5 cups of Hy-Vee's rotisserie chicken breast. This is a great shortcut because you can buy it already cooked at Hy-Vee. This is also a great way to use up any leftover chicken you might have. Now, some Hy-Vee slivered almonds, some chopped celery, a couple of finely chopped green onions, and now the star of this chicken salad is 3 kinds of grapes. I've got 1.5 cups of cut green, red, and black seedless grapes. They're a great source of melatonin, which can protect your heart and fight inflammation. That all gets mixed together, covered, and refrigerated for about an hour. Once it's chilled, it's time to build our sandwich, but we're skipping the typical croissant and using Cheesecake Factory's famous brown bread instead. It saves on calories and fat, and trust me, it's just as delicious. Layer the bread with some fresh lettuce and a scoop of Triple-Grape chicken salad, then the other slice of bread. Now that's a grape-looking sandwich. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.